Good morning, everyone. Myself, Muralidhara Reddy. In this video, we are going to discussing about what is Docker, why we use Docker. Okay, let's see the overview. What is Docker? Docker is an open source and it is used to manage the containers. Okay, using Docker, we can create the images and we can manage the containers. Okay, and using this Docker, we can build the application in a container with required libraries, binaries, dependencies. These are related to the particular application. We'll be create the image. Okay, inside the image, we can declare all libraries, binaries, dependencies in the particular application. Then we'll be run the application. When you run the application, it will be create the container. The particular container you can switch to shift to anywhere. Example, you have created the Docker image that is you are running Amazon Linux. Okay, same Docker image you can run in Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu. It will be work. Okay, without any compatibility issues. It will be work. Okay, next, why we use Docker? One is portability. Portability means you have written Docker image in Linux server, you can shift to another operating system, Windows or Mac. It will be work without any adding dependencies, everything. It should be work. Next one is lightweight. Lightweight means it will be the particular image size also will be very less. Okay, and fast delivery and scalable. Next one is resource optimization. When you run the container, the resource optimization is very less. Utilization is very less. Okay, and then using Docker, you can able to run the multiple containers in single host. For example, you have a Linux server. Inside you will be installed Docker. You can run multiple containers, multiple applications. Okay, isolated OSs in a single Docker host. And this Docker majorly used for continuous deployment and testing purpose. Okay, this is the major Docker overview. Okay, you don't need to worry. Might be you little bit confused when go to the inside practical, you will get more idea how can create, how can check the pods, container, how to create our own customized images, everything I will show you, okay, in practically. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.